The Wi-Fi here is just terrible. This poor device can't play anything for too long.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
You know, one thing I did not talk about, and I probably should, is this hinge. This hinge is rugged. It is not the easiest thing to open this device. There is some resistance there when trying to pull it. But because of that, this thing can stay locked or stay open at any angle you put it at. This hinge has a lot of rigidness. Again, very similar to the Duo. I think they took a lot of inspiration from the Duo's hinge, because though this one not as hard, you know, you can easily just pop it open at the side here. Or there goes my peak. I love the peak. But other devices aren't as hard to open. This one, I don't think you can open this with one hand, not easily. Yeah, well, yeah. You just gotta get your thumb in there. So you do have your view mode. That's always something fun. And technically, you'd have a tent mode as well. That outer screen does allow for very similar uses. So technically, you're not going to be losing out on anything if you were to upgrade from your Duo to your Pixel Fold. You know what? Just looking at the videos now, the screen on the Pixel Fold is better than the screen on the Duo. It's more bright. This one seems a little faded in comparison. The colors really pop. I don't know what kind of display this is, but this outer display is really nice. It looks beautiful. The Duo looks good in its own right, but you can clearly see the difference. The colors here just come out so much more. Even on camera, you can clearly see the difference. The Fold, or the Pixel Fold, just has a better display. It's, but not better Wi-Fi connectivity. I think every time this happens, it's trying to go to a commercial, and it just cannot connect. It's just so annoying. With the Pixel Fold, you flip it, it goes in the middle, and you have this experience here. You are able to flip through your content on the bottom of the page. It's not anything new. With the Duo, you don't get the access to the content at the bottom while you're watching something. You do get a whole other app. But if I blow this up, let's see. Yeah, it just goes straight here. Of course, there's ways to go around that if you decide to. You can always go into my little guy here and just flip things around, and it will force it, and boom, you get the same type of use case. So it is possible, and again, larger screens, still 120 hertz. So, you know, your mileage may vary what you might like to do. This here is the quasi laptop mode. You see the keyboards at the bottom, you have your text at the top. I can't get into Docs or Word or anything like that because you can sign into those apps. But at least we can get a clear look of how the keyboard opens up. I thought it might cover more of the screen, like up to the full, but it doesn't. But it is something that can easily be done. I don't want to sign. I just want to see what it's like. Go away, annoying device. Okay, boom. Let's try that. Yeah. So it doesn't cover the full half of the screen. It covers just under a half. But the keyboard is nicely spaced out. The keys are large, so there goes Google Keyboard for you. No haptic feedback. Maybe that's something that you turn on. But it's more than doable. Okay, sweet. So with that said, my name is NG, the Neon X, and playing with the Pixel Fold. This is what I'm into.